Here we go. Another day in Monasterevin. Here we have driving down the road. Not really happening. We look out. See who's here. Scooby-Doo flying. Scooby-Doo. What do you think, Scoob? Do you want to drive next? Here we go. He's looking out the window. What does he see? Fast now. Come in, Scoop. Come in. Don't even think about it. Stop, Scoop. It's other dogs. It's okay. It's not a problem. Don't jump out the window over it like you usually do. Here we go. And over that bump. Here's Carter. Daniel. Red. Daniel. And here we go. Right. There's the church, and we're in. There's Adam. Scoop, you okay? There's Adam. Where is he? Right, Scoop, here we go. Here we go.